Why does blood flow often decline even when hormone levels appear normal? For over the years, I've been helping men understand what's actually happening inside their bodies, especially when circulation slows due to age, stress, or inactivity. This video isn't about hype. It isn't about quick fixes. And it's not about replacing medical care. Today, I'll explain why some men are using castor oil and baking soda, what this approach truly affects inside the body, and how a simple 10-minute routine may support circulation when it's done correctly and safely. And if you stay until the end, I'll share one overlooked adjustment that can significantly enhance the effect without adding more ingredients, time, or risk. Stay with me, because the real value here isn't the ingredients. It's the physiology behind them. Step 1. Take a small amount of cold-pressed castor oil. Warm it gently between your hands until it feels comfortable. This helps the oil retain heat and skin contact, supporting local circulation safely. Research has shown that ricinoleic acid, the main component of castor oil, can increase nitric oxide synthase activity in tissues, a key enzyme involved in blood vessel signaling and dilation, which supports improved vascular response. Animal Studies, 1997. Beyond this, castor oil has several properties that may indirectly support erectile function. It has anti-inflammatory and microcirculation supporting effects, helps stimulate lymphatic circulation, and promotes vascular and tissue health. It also aids in skin and connective tissue integrity, reduces localized discomfort, and supports overall genital region health, all of which can help maintain the conditions the body needs for healthy blood flow. Now that you've prepared the area and supported circulation with castor oil, the next step activates the full 10-minute response. It's simple, but this part is where most men see the biggest physiological effect, and it only works if done in the correct sequence. Let's move on to Step 2. Step 2. Gently apply the warmed castor oil to the lower abdomen or inner thigh area, avoiding sensitive tissues and mucous membranes. This region contains major blood vessels and lymphatic pathways, which makes it ideal for supporting local circulation and vascular responsiveness. Use slow, gentle strokes for 30 to 60 seconds, or simply let the oil rest on the skin if you prefer, keeping the area relaxed. Stop immediately if you feel any discomfort or irritation. Research shows that topical ricinoleic acid can enhance nitric oxide synthase activity, helping blood vessels relax and improving microcirculation. Key components for maintaining erectile health, Animal and Tissue Studies, 1997 to 2002. This step also helps reduce tissue tension, support connective tissue health, and prepare the lower abdomen and inner thigh for optimal blood flow, which is crucial for the rest of the 10-minute routine. If this is making sense so far, tap like and comment where you're watching from. It helps this video reach other men who can benefit from these tips. Once this area is ready, the next step activates the full 10-minute response, where warmth, touch, and circulation signals work together to support vascular health. Let's move on to Step 3. Step 3. If you choose to use baking soda, keep it minimal and fully diluted. Its purpose is skin comfort and temperature balance, not absorption. This helps maintain a calm, relaxed environment for circulation, allowing the previous step's effects to work optimally without irritation. Let the mixture sit for 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring the area stays comfortable before moving to the next part of the routine. Now that the skin and tissue are prepared, the next step triggers the main circulation response, setting the stage for maximum effect. Let's move on to Step 4. Step 4. Sit or lie down comfortably, making sure your body is fully supported. As you settle, pay attention to your breathing and body sensations. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, then exhale for 6 seconds, letting your muscles soften with each breath. This isn't just relaxation. This controlled breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, signaling your blood vessels to relax and your circulation to improve. Notice the warmth, the gentle pressure from the oil, and the subtle changes in sensation. This is your body responding to the routine. By staying aware of these sensations, you're training your nervous system to optimize blood flow naturally, which is essential for erectile health. This mindful connection ensures the previous steps aren't just mechanical, they're engaging your physiology fully. Remain in this state for the remainder of the 10 minutes, observing how your body responds. Once you feel relaxed and circulation engaged, the next step locks in these effects and reinforces vascular responsiveness. Let's move on to Step 5. Step 5. Once you've completed the previous steps, do nothing else for the full 10 minutes. No phone, no distractions, no tension. Just stillness and focus on your body. This pause is actually the most important part. The oil, baking soda, and gentle touch set the stage, but your body responds in these quiet minutes. Your blood vessels relax, microcirculation improves, and your parasympathetic nervous system reinforces the signals for optimal blood flow. For even better results, try this routine after a warm shower or light walking. Heat and gentle movement predilate your blood vessels, making your body more receptive to circulation signals without adding extra time or ingredients. During these 10 minutes, stay aware of sensations, warmth, relaxation, and subtle changes in the lower abdomen and thighs. This mindful stillness reinforces vascular responsiveness, which is key for supporting erectile health naturally. Many men report noticing subtle improvements in circulation and sensitivity within the first week, but consistent practice over 2 to 3 weeks often brings more noticeable changes in erectile function and overall vascular response. After 10 minutes, slowly return to your normal posture, knowing you've activated circulation, supported vascular health, and trained your body to respond better over time. Now, as promised at the start, let's break down why this simple 10-minute routine actually supports circulation. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has been shown in studies 1997 to 2002 to increase nitric oxide synthase activity, the enzyme that helps blood vessels relax and improves microcirculation. Baking soda isn't absorbed, but it balances skin pH and temperature, keeping tissues comfortable so the blood vessels and nervous system can respond fully. When combined with slow, mindful breathing and stillness, these steps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the branch responsible for relaxation and improved vascular flow. That's why this routine isn't just about the ingredients. It's about preparing your body to respond naturally from the inside out. Here's the overlooked adjustment I mentioned at the beginning. For maximum effect, perform this routine after a warm shower or 5 to 10 minutes of light walking. The heat and gentle movement predilate your blood vessels, making your body more receptive to circulation signals without adding any extra steps or ingredients. Men who include this step often notice subtle improvements within the first week and more pronounced changes over 2 to 3 weeks of consistent practice. So, the promise isn't magic. It's science, physiology, and awareness combined. By following these steps mindfully, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to support blood flow, optimize vascular responsiveness, and naturally reinforce erectile health. Let me leave you with this. A decline in blood flow is not a personal failure. It's a natural biological signal. The good news is that signals can be improved with patience, consistency, and respect for your body. You don't need extreme solutions or quick fixes. You need understanding, awareness, and the right supportive routines. Start simple, stay calm, and give your body the time it needs to respond naturally. That's how real progress happens, at any age, and in a way that strengthens your circulation, confidence, and overall health.